Hi everyone, welcome to the new kitchen studio that I've built. I'll give you a little tour. This is for my new channel, the How To Chef, so make sure you go and check it out. I'll link it below. So this is the new kitchen. Here's some studio lights, as you would expect. The mic and stand. I'll give you a little review of this for anyone who's interested, this little holder. A half finished table. I'm going to rebuild it because it's very wobbly, so trying to do videos on there. But that's the kitchen. It's cost all of about £200. What's that? About 260, 270 US dollars. It's got everything's, well, not everything's fully working. This is fully working. Brand new oven. That's included in the total cost of building this whole thing. You'll see the kitchen doors. Now the doors work. There's not much in there. But the kitchen doors work. This is just painted on, as I say, and you can see there, when you're up close you can see the screws, but obviously when it's on video, from back there you can't see any of it. There's a sink with a non-functioning tap. As I say, it is just a film set, effectively. The walls are just a wallpaper with brick effect, as you probably already knew. Shelves just put on with cheap little L brackets. I think they were in a pack of 4 or 8 for £1. Very cheap, very nasty job done there, but as I say, it was just for show. It's not holding up a great deal of weight, just a lot of props and bits like that. I haven't encapsulated the top of this yet either. I will do that. I'll show that. A lot of what's being reviewed at the moment, just to get some content on the channel, will be ramen. Loads and loads of ramen, and also for my own amusement, this. Yeah, great. I wonder what that tastes like. Also more ramen, loads and loads more ramen. A light and what's that? A tool of some form. This, if you're wondering, in the background is actually off an old gramophone. I put an iPhone that way in and play music, and it's got a cup at the back. That's my improvised radio, so it just uses the speakers on the on my iPhone. This Krupp's coffee machine. If anyone wants it, let me know in the comments. You can have it. So that's that really. Some books. As I say, most of this is props, but obviously this is all real stuff. Apart from these plants, these are not real. Here's some other bits that I'll be reviewing on the channel as well. These are all like Japanese and Chinese gadgets. Kitchen gadgets. So yeah, if you want to see more about how this was built, a little side note, this worktop, although this looks good like a little plinth sort of style worktop, it's only because the guy cut it wrong in B&Q that it overlaps, but it actually worked pretty well. If you want to see how this was all built, what I used to make it, and maybe a little breakdown of what it costs or something like that, if I turn that off. Breakdown of what it costs, let me know in the comments. Make sure you go and check out the new channel as well, the How To Chef. Make sure you subscribe and like some videos on there. Obviously get the channel started on a good one. There's some other things as well, as you can see over there, amongst all of the junk that's here. Here is a distillery, a homemade distillery. Well, I designed it and had it fabricated all out of stainless steel. So I'll be finalising that and doing some videos of that. So anyone interested in making their own alcohol and things like that, I'll do some videos on that. If anyone wants to see it, that is. If you don't want to see it, I won't bother. So that's that really. Don't put a hand over the camera. Let me know if you want to see any more videos about this setup, how to build your own kitchen studio, or even if you are looking at building a kitchen on the cheap, maybe you can take some of these ideas that I've used in here to do your own. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. In the meantime, go and check out the How To Chef. Go and like and comment, and obviously subscribe to that channel. Cheers, see you on the next one. Bye.